Hi guys, I'm Juan here, up in the sun, where I bring you lifestyle, fandom, realness. I am dressed for a very special occasion, and that is another Tokidoki unboxing. I am so excited. Y'all know that Tokidoki is a very big part of my collection. I am obsessed. I love the artistry that goes into these vinyl figures. Now last year I was able to unbox the Series 4 for the holiday Unicornos. This year they did not release the Series 5, but what they did release was this brand new Winter Wonderland set, which I am so excited to get into. As you can see here, they have brand new characters. They have Snow Princess, they have Chili, they have Pom Pom, they have PJ, they have Ice Queen, Snowy, and JP is the Chaser. Here it is, all nice and done and ready to go. This is what you would see on the shelves at the store. And I just love, look at these beautiful little snowflake that they did for the paper at the top of these. And this is just so gorgeous. I love the artwork. I mean, I think Tokidoki is some of the most creative pieces of artwork out there. And it's a true force within the vinyl collection community. And I'm just so excited to get into these. I have 6 here, but I actually did get 8 in total because I'm hoping to complete this set in this sitting. So I really hope I get each one of them, even a chaser. I'll take a chaser. In very tiny print, they said there's a 1 in 48 chance of getting the chaser. So my gosh. We shall see what happens. They did end up including this very cute holiday card. It says, "You're my snow buddy." It's blank inside, so you can write whatever note you want. I don't send these out. I only got the one. However, you can go on the website and they do have holiday cards / greeting cards, whatever you want to call them, for sale. And like, I think there's like a pack of 5 for $9. It's not bad. Look at this cute little kitty cat. I did get one from last year as well, so this will be joining me in the office on my shelf behind me. If you're not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me here. You will go ahead and get to see more of what's going on inside my brain, what kind of things I'm enjoying, what's making me laugh, and posting some really fun reels indicating when I'm dropping a new video. So go ahead and follow me there, because I know not everybody is glued to YouTube itself and that you're not all scrambling on your phone to see the new short, unfortunately. See, I do have a total of 8. Here are the 2 extra boxes. And I'm going to start with these ones. Okay, opening the first box. Let's pull this out for a second. We'll get to that. Inside, I always forget, there's usually a booklet so you can keep track of all the characters. That's what it looks like. I really love the color choices. Winter Wonderland is such a beautiful theme. I honestly like all the characters, so I would not be mad. Again, I'm trying to go for all of them, so it doesn't matter. I don't really have a favorite out of this line. Obviously, the one that does stand out is Ice Queen, and I think Snowy is hilarious too, but they're all very cute, so let's see. So each one of the boxes will come with this sticker. This is new. The only other time they've done this is for that After Dark series, and I did unbox that for Halloween. Okay, the first one. Oh, you can't lose on the first one because it's brand new to everyone, right? Feels funny. Oh my gosh, this is Chili. Oh my gosh. Oh, how stinking cute. Look at this puffer jacket. But this right here is sparkly. I did not expect that to be a thing. For the earmuffs, this is also sparkly, the snowball at the top. I like how it's dripping. Oh, wow, so cool. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. Look at the little snowflake detail on the side. And it looks like they're trying to build a snowman on the back here, but the head got slumped here, like something happened. Oh my gosh, see, I tell you, they do things a little extra. I mean, they didn't have to put all that glitter on there to have that effect, but they sure did. Ah, so awesome. Yay, what a great start. Yeah, if you don't look close enough in the artwork, they do have the white mounds there for the snow, but it kind of does blend in the background as well, so you know, that's why it was much of a surprise to me. Box number 2. I can't destroy these boxes too much because I like to actually reuse them to store the Tokidokis away. Ugh. This is the most embarrassing thing. I'm so weak. Oh my gosh. This is Snowy! Oh my goodness. First of all, look at this little X Games athlete. It's a teddy bear. Oh my gosh, he's on the snowy peaks. Oh, I love this artistic flair here, the swoopiness of this, of the paint. And the trees painted on this translucent lucite body. Oh my gosh. This is so adorable. Wow. Snow coming off of the horn there. And I like how the trees do wrap all the way around. That's beautiful. And they're also there on her chest. Oh my gosh. So stinking cute. Love this. Now we're diving into these. This one. Box number 3. Let's see. Who do we have? We have... Woo! Okay, Betty. We have the queen herself. This is Ice Queen. She's also lucite. How wonderful. These are definitely leaning into the theme hardcore. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, so this is Elsa as a Unicorno. But not really. There's other wonderful details here. We have this yellow gem here. And they have like, it's a little hard to see, but she has glitter in her ice crown, and oh my gosh, beautiful. And I love this icicle detail here on the horn as well. Very cute. Yes, this is the one I wanted to see. Box number 4. My God. Okay, who do we have? Who do we have? Okay, the first dupe, which is Snowy. Okay. Trying to keep it together. Box number 5. Quick, before I tear into this, I just love the artwork. Look how adorable those freaking penguins are. Those are so stinking cute. That snowman has fangs. What the heck? So freaking amazing. Look at this snowflake. Look at that kawaii snowflake. So cute. This is what makes Tokidoki, like I keep saying, next level in collection, because this artwork is so gorgeous. Something new. We have, yay! This is so adorable. This is PJ. Oh my gosh, it's a little bear. It's a bear unicorn with a little bear sleeping on top of it. How adorable. I love the details of the PJ. You can see the band here is stretchy. Okay, very cute. I love the stars in the mane. Then they have a metallic finish, which is awesome. These are just very cute jammies. Oh my gosh. Look at this little sleeping bear. Oh. And what is that blanket? What is that? Like camo? I don't get it. Stars in the mane are gorgeous. Love it. Just 3 left. My gosh. This is number 6. Okay. Someone new. Someone new, please. Someone new. We have another chili. Okay. Box number 7. Yes! Oh my gosh! This one is so freaking awesome. This is Pom Pom. I love the colors of Pom Pom. Oh my gosh. Look at that gold mane hiding under this very adorable hat. This Pom Pom is flocked. This beautiful red. Oh my gosh, this rainbow hat. Look at it, it's the same style. And her pink puffer jacket, but she has boots on because she is going skiing. Oh my gosh. Very cute. Like you get a gold tail there, and the little teddy bear, and then her scarf. Okay, this scarf is not flocked, but it definitely has a texture to it, like it's a knit scarf. I freaking love that. Huge fan of texture. Very, very cool. This is awesome! Final box. Wish me luck, y'all. Box number 8. Knits. Yes! 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 We have Snow Princess. You're honestly not guaranteed to get everyone if you get the whole set. I did not get the chase, but I am so happy that we have Snow Princess. Oh, she is so cute, and I'm showing you her crown first. It's a nice metallic finish there to that massive snowflake. She has a little bow detail, and she has gold, like a gold band on her outfit, and on her hooves are gold. Her collar is flocked, which is amazing. Oh my gosh. Because her color scheme is kind of not basic, but it's more simplified. You know, the blues and the whites and the gold, which is gorgeous. I'm all about that. I mean, love the metallic finish on that bow. Oh, so pretty. And I love the translucentness of the blue. This is very reminiscent of a Japanese style, the way the crown is done. Oh, so great. And I actually like that the horn is translucent as well, like the rest of the icicle detailing here. Oh, so great. Yes! Oh my gosh. Comment down below which one was your favorite that I pulled. If I had to pick a favorite, I actually am obsessed with Pom Pom. Like, it's just so freaking colorful, and you know that's what I love. So this is so freaking gorgeous. I'm so happy that this was included. Honestly, a great set, and I'm really happy to add it to the rest of their Unicorno cousins. Do you collect Tokidoki? Is there a collection outside of Funko Pops that you really enjoy collecting? Please let me know down below. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think that might like it. Thank you to all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you. I appreciate you being here. Please be safe. Tell someone that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!